Good morning, you guys. I'm about to get another cup of coffee. I hate when it gets like really watery and weird like this, so I'm dumping this out, making a new one. I got my cute little Christmas cup. I got this from Anthropology. They have a few different ones, but the trees are so cute. Anyways, good morning. Welcome back. Another episode of Vlogmas. So today I pulled down some of the Christmas decor that we had in the attic, and it's like a lot of the red and white Christmas decor from last year. And then I have a few like kind of cutesy decor, like pink things that I think will look really cute in my reading area slash office. I call it my loffice because it's like a loft. I don't know, you guys have seen it. If not, you will. But I thought it'd be fun to like decorate the bookshelves all cute and Christmassy, so that's what we're doing today. So this is the box that I pulled out. It looks fun, so let's see if there's any hidden gems in here. Our old stockings. These are really cute. I'm definitely going to use these. Oh, last year's tree skirt. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had a little cookie house. Here's our newer stockings, kitchen towels, candles. Okay, so that's pretty much all that was in here. Some ornaments. This is not the box that I needed. Okay, I think I got what I was looking for. This guy has definitely seen better days. A mini tree skirt for a mini tree. This is what I was looking for. These are pretty cute. I think they'll match the vibes up here. More candles. Ooh, so yummy. Obsessed with him. I have this tiny little gold Christmas tree, and I found some really cute ornaments, some pinky ones. I was thinking this was bigger when I was buying ornaments, but it's so tiny. So we're going to decorate this. Okay, cute, a little chaotic, but I'm kind of in love. So I got these in the mail from Too Faced, and it's definitely their like holiday eyeshadow palettes, but the wrapping was so cute. I didn't want to open them up, and I kind of want to just put them under my little tree here. So does that look dumb? I can't tell. I feel like I kind of like it. Okay, the room is in complete disarray, but I also forgot to show you guys that I got the cutest freaking candles in PR as well. So this is from Mala, and I have seen them like on Nordstrom and stuff and always wanted to buy them. So this was very exciting, but they sent me 4 little candles. So we have candy cane. This one is probably my favorite. This is chocolate orange, and the little chocolate oranges that come out around Christmas time are my absolute favorite. They are so delicious, and this smells exactly like it. And the last one I have 4. The other one is mistletoe. It smells kind of like, you know, like a Christmas tree smell. That one's out in our living room. I've already lit it. So good. This one is eggnog latte, and listen, I'm not an eggnog girly, I'm just gonna say it, but this candle smells really good. Cinnamon, rum, and vanilla, so you know that's delicious. Okay, just finished the shelves, and they're actually so cute. I got a few more books in the mail, so I had to move things around, and it is looking quite stuffed in here. So I definitely think I'm going to sort through my books in the new year. We could do like a little book clean out because my goodness. And I definitely want to put away, like, I have like some holiday ones like Halloween and of course Christmas. I'm gonna put those away so they're not on the shelf year round, but I don't want to clean those out. Got my little tree, little eggnog latte candle by the big tree. There's actually a lot going on right here. This is my little oil diffuser. so cute, but looks a little much in this space right now, so I might move it around. I'm obsessed with my little candy nutcracker man and my little sparkly guy. He's so cute, and he matches my little candle. I just got this candle from Boy Smells. They have amazing candles. This one is like Floral Dream, but look how perfect it matches the little ornaments I got. The sparkly tree looks so cute. Gotta say, I love this little area. So does she. Okay, now that the office is finished, I'm going to make some lunch. I got some baked mac and cheese from H-E-B and I'm really excited about it. But last night, I just broke down like a million boxes. And today, we have some more. So let's see what's in them. Okay, hi, are you joking? These are massive. I've been wanting to try this Youth to the People cleanser forever. And it was on mega sale with this little set. Also, this is cute, what the heck? Anyways, it comes with the full-size cleanser, which was the main selling point because this little kit was cheaper than just buying the cleanser regularly. And then it also came with the caffeine energy serum, which I'm also really interested to try, and the Superfood Air Whip moisture cream. So, gonna give these a try, I'm very excited. These big boxes are actually from Guess. They send PR to me every once in a while. Oh wow, some sassy silk pants. These are fun. Look at these pants, oh my gosh. I would have to get them hemmed because they're like 10 miles long. They're as long as my whole body, but these are so fun, ooh. So we got a skirt version. This one's probably more my vibe. That is really cute. And then the matching top. Cute, it's like a halter top. This is adorable. So fun for New Year's. I don't have any plans, but there's still time. Now to open this giant one. There's so much in this one. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. Big puffer. Ooh. Oh my god, it's comfy. Okay, love that. Oh, are you kidding? This is so amazing. Look at this coat. Oh my god, it's so soft. Last one, why am I out of breath? This one's like a leather corset. That's really cute. One more jacket. That is really, really nice. Well, thank you so much, Guess. This is very exciting. Okay, I'm making my little mac and cheese in the oven right now. So here is the book of the day, you guys. This one, I don't know, it was kind of a struggle to get through at first. I think my problem with this book, first of all, this is One Last Gift by Emily Stone. I really liked like the side characters in this book, but the two main characters, wasn't obsessed with them. And I wasn't really like rooting for them, I don't know. So this one, I was kind of back and forth, but this one was a sweet book overall. It's such a sad story. So the brother of the main character, he's the older brother, and each year for Christmas he does these little treasure hunts with his younger sister. And so he leaves these letters as clues, and then, you know, they get to the end of the treasure hunt and she gets a prize of sorts. But in this book, her brother passes away unexpectedly, and he's already prepared the treasure hunt for the year because he was planning to be gone up until Christmas. So he was on the ball, and it was kind of just like one last parting gift. So it's one last journey to figure out and follow all of these clues and basically change her life. It's a big year. Also in the mix of this book, there is the brother's longtime childhood best friend who's always been in the main character Cassie, her life. So along this journey, she's kind of rekindling with old friends and old love. So I did actually enjoy like the journey that the brother takes her on throughout this little game. But like I said, I was not obsessed with these characters. So this is tough. I kind of want to give it 3 stars if I'm honest. I definitely wouldn't reread it again, but I feel bad giving it 3 stars because it is like a sad story. Look how delicious that looks. Are you kidding me right now? I'm so excited. Okay, today we are heading out. We're going to Target to pick up some coats for kids. In the past, we've done like a few different charities for Christmas. We've done Toys for Tots, we've done the Angel Tree. What was the other one we did? Oh, Adopt a Child. It's basically the same thing as Angel Tree.
Yes.
Anyways, Hugo's sick, so he's masked up. He doesn't have COVID or anything.
No flu either.
Yeah, it's like a respiratory infection.
They said respiratory infection is what the doctor said. Yeah,
but he's still contagious, so just being on the safe side. Anyways, Coats for Kids is really cool. It's literally, we're just buying coats in specific sizes to donate to children, and I think specifically to schools to hand out the coats. So we're assigned like bigger kids, not quite like tweens. No, they're like sizes 7
and 10 and 12.
Yeah, to 12.
So yeah, tweens.
Yeah, we're like in the middle there. So I'm excited. I love shopping for like other people, and especially like when we did like Adopt a Kid and like Angel Tree, those are so fun to me, so I'm excited. Let's head out. Smells like Christmas. Look at all these cute little trees. I got one. I got that little pink one. Look at these little Sherpa jackets, but they're all toddler sizes.
Oh no, we need big kids.
We're here? Oh, we're like in the I am crying.
It's the size
it's so soft. We should probably do gray so they could wear it more, but I love the color, so I would absolutely wear this. Should I get one? Wow, it's so cute. These are
free.
There's jean jackets. I love this one. The little girl section is such a sleigh. That is so cute. These are too tiny. We gotta keep our search on. Of course the boys have the durable jackets. Nice and cozy. Okay, so we decided on this cute little gray one, little pink. This one, both of the boys have like Sherpa inside, so we got a camo one and then a plain red. But guys, the options are so bleak here. Like, look at the coats. I'm not giving that to someone. They're either the wrong size, like way too tiny, or there's, yeah, like this is pretty much what we're looking at here. And I want regular coats, but these are like little crew necks, and I gotta tell you, the girls section is so much worse than the boys. The boys are a lot warmer, so I think we're just doing these 4 for now. Apparently everyone is sick. Sold out. Guys, we're getting in the car and someone was backing out, and first of all they almost ran us over, but they ended up crashing into the carts.
Oh wait, those carts?
Yeah, did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard it. I didn't know they crashed into it.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Anyways, we made it out of Target unscathed. Did not find a single thing for myself.
Good.
I got some Christmas stuff, and then we got the coats, and it worked out. So now we're going to treat ourselves to a little in and out. Target was packed though, as per usual, but with all of the Christmas shoppers, everyone was going nuts. A lot of the kids stuff was picked over, which makes sense because, you know, kids, Christmas. But also, the beauty section was in shambles. I was trying to pick out some stuff for my sister. I never really go big with my sister's Christmas gifts.
Hey, can we not get in and out?
What do you want?
Well, I don't want to sit in this line.
Oh my fucking god! It's like we're in California.
Yeah, except we're not.
Thank you.
Oh no, we are not getting in and out.
Yeah, it's like literally wrapped around.
In and out is canceled.
That never happens here. I've only ever seen it in like, you know, when I'd be home or like in San Diego or whatever. But here, lines don't ever get that long. Because the Texans usually prefer Whataburger, which is right next door. Whoa, we are glowing. All right, Hugo talked me into Panda Express instead. Thought I made this evening out to be a win. Back to taking L's.
Jesus Christ, it's just Panda.
The lines are lining. Okay, we just got home. We're going to drop off the coats tomorrow-ish, probably. It's actually funny because it's at Hugo's, I was going to say his old job, but it's his current job. He just doesn't work in the office anymore. So Sicko is going to take some medicine and we're going to watch Married at First Sight. We're almost done with season 11, moving on to season 12. I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.